Assalamualaikum and good evening to Puan Su and Puan Hamiza as our lecturer for Mathematics 2. So today we would like to present our topic is differentiate. So firstly, I have to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Sapian. My metric number is 09DEP21F 2005.
My name is Hariharan. My metric number is 09DEP21F2006.
My name is Muhammad Haziq. My metric number is 09DEP21F2004.
So the learning outcomes in differentiate. Firstly, we have learned some applications involving rates of change. Secondly, develop new rule of differential calculus called the chain rule. The third, this rule is important for related rates and indispensable when we have to use trigonometric and exponential functions. And the fourth is learn to solve questions using trigonometry and differentiation.
Theory. Differentiation is a method of finding the instantaneous rate of change in function based on of its variables. In addition, in real-life economics also application. It helps a trader to make decisions in business. If x is a variable and y is another variable, then the rate of change of x with respect to y is given by dy over dx. Trigonometry is a relationship between sides, length, and angle of triangles.
Question number 1. The radius of a spherical balloon is increasing at the constant rate of change 10 cm per second. At what rate is the surface area increasing when the radius is 15 cm? This is the formula and the solution. We have a sphere formula, surface area equal to 4 pi r power of 2. The solution is given that dr over dt equal 10 cm per second and r equal 15 cm. Find out ds over dt. We know that the surface area of sphere equal 4 pi r power of 2. ds over dt equal 4 pi bracket 2r equal 8 pi r dr over dt equal 8 pi bracket 15 times 10. ds over dt equal 1.2 k pi cm power of 2 per second.
Question 2. A 6-feet man walks at the rate of 3 feet per second away from a street light that is 21 feet above the ground. The question is to calculate the rate which the length of his shadow changing when is x feet from the light. First, we have to use the diagonal formula, which is so cha tua. In this case, we use tangent, which is opposite divided by addition. Based on the first triangle, we get the value of 21 over x plus s, and use the same method to solve the second triangle. We will possibly get the answer of 6 over s. For the third step, we need to combine the equation, which is 21 over x plus x equal to 6 over x. Then feel free to do cross multiplying and you'll get the result of 21s equal to 6s plus 6s. Do the positive charge of 6s, we need to minus both sides with 6s and finally get the answer of 15s equal to 6s.
Finally, do the differentiation. Differentiate the equation 15s equal to 6s, which get 15 times 1 ds over dt equal to 6 times 1 dx over dt. Then substitute the dx over dt with 3 as shown in the question before. Then we will possibly get 15 ds over dt equal to 18 and get the final answer of ds over dt equal to 6 over 5 or also 1.2 feet per second.
Question 3. Here given y equal to 2x power of 3 minus 3x power of 2 minus 12x plus 11 represents a curved line where the stationary points shows the statistic in business for trader. For step 1 is directly we differentiate the answer we get dy over dx equal to 6x power of 2 minus 6x minus 12. Step 2, dy over dx equal to 0. Why? Because we have to find dx. So 6x power of 2 minus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. The easiest work is we calculate in equation degree and 2. So we get x1 is 2, x2 is minus 1. Step 3, when x equal to 2. So we get in the equation, the first equation from the question is y equal to 2 in bracket 2 power of 3 minus 3 in bracket 2 the power of 2 minus 12 in bracket 2 plus 11. So the answer we get negative 9. And then when x equal to negative 1, so the same method we use in the x equal to 2, which is y equal to 2 in bracket negative 1 power of 3 minus 3 in bracket negative 1 power of 2 minus 12 in bracket negative 1 plus 11. So the answer we get 18. So here we get the answer in stationary point is 2 over negative 9 and negative 1 over 18. Step 4. I have to determine the statistic in business for trader of the stationary point. So d power of 2y over to dx power of 2 equal to 12x minus 6. Why? Because this is the secondary order from the and the differentiate after differentiate. So when x equal to 2, d power of 2 y over dx power of 2. So we get in the 2 in the differentiation for 12 in bracket 2 minus 6. So the answer we get 18. Next, when x equal to negative 1, the same method we use in the x equal to 2 minus 6. The answer we get negative 18. So here we have to determine the mean point and max point. So the mean point is 18 more than 0 and the max point is 18 negative 18 less than 0. Lastly, the step 5. Sketch the graph of the curve that shows the statistic in business for trade. So here's the page shows the statistic in business for trader.
The conclusion, plus in the state formula, this can relate to our daily life. As the example is given, in addition, the rate of change can also measure a distance from point to point. The area of a place and the height of an object as an implication, the rate of the change can solve various problems encountered.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you next meeting for our lesson.